The OnePlus 13T is just around the corner with its official launch scheduled for April 24. And while the anticipation builds, OnePlus has dropped a major teaser that's got everyone talking. The camera setup. We've now got our first official look at the OnePlus 13T's camera specifications and some stunning sample shots to go along with it. So let's break it all down. First off, the OnePlus 13T will feature a dual rear camera system. That's right, just two lenses on the back. But don't be fooled by the number. It's all about quality over quantity here. The setup includes a 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens. Now, what makes the telephoto camera special is that it offers 2x optical zoom up to 4x lossless zoom. That's a pretty big deal, especially for those who love capturing detailed shots from a distance without sacrificing image quality. You might be wondering, where's the ultra-wide camera? Well, it's not there. And honestly, for many users, that won't be a big loss. OnePlus seems to be focusing on the most used and most loved lenses, and if you're someone who rarely uses the ultra-wide lens, this might actually make perfect sense. Behind the scenes, the OnePlus 13T is packing some serious imaging tech. It's using the Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition's flagship image signal processor to deliver top-tier camera performance. On top of that, OnePlus is integrating Oppo's latest flagship imaging algorithm. No surprise there. OnePlus and Oppo have been working closely together for a while now, and this partnership is clearly paying off when it comes to mobile photography. Although the official sensor hasn't been confirmed, it's widely expected that the main camera will use Sony's IMX906, a reliable and powerful sensor known for capturing sharp and vibrant images. But specs are just one part of the story. OnePlus has also released some camera samples taken with the 13T, and while they are promotional images taken under ideal conditions, the results are impressive. The shots show off excellent detail, vibrant colors, and strong dynamic range. If real-world performance matches what we're seeing here, this phone could be a go-to option for mobile photography enthusiasts. But the camera isn't the only thing that's exciting about the OnePlus 13T. Under the hood, this device is shaping up to be a performance beast. Thanks to a Geekbench listing, we now know that the phone is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same flagship-level processor expected in 2025's top Android phones. That's paired with a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM, which puts it ahead of even heavyweights like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra when it comes to memory. Now, let's talk numbers. On Geekbench, the OnePlus 13T scored around 2,900 in single-core performance and a strong 8,934 in multi-core tests. While it falls just short of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in both categories, it does outperform the iPhone 16 Pro Max in multi-core performance. So if you're into gaming, multitasking, or just want buttery smooth performance in everything you do, the 13T definitely won't disappoint. The phone is also expected to come with the powerful Adreno 830 GPU, which means graphics performance is going to be top tier, whether you're playing high-end games or editing videos on the go. And yes, it'll be running Android 15 right out of the box, giving users access to the latest features, security updates, and overall software enhancements. And as if all that wasn't enough, the OnePlus 13T is rumored to pack a massive 6,200 mAh battery. That's right, one of the largest batteries ever seen in a flagship smartphone. This should translate into seriously long battery life, even with heavy usage. So whether you're streaming, gaming, or snapping photos all day, battery anxiety might just be a thing of the past. So, to wrap it up, the OnePlus 13T is looking like a true powerhouse, a compact flagship that focuses on what matters: high-quality photography, top-tier performance, and excellent battery life. The dual-camera setup, especially that 4x lossless zoom, could be a game-changer for users who value telephoto photography over ultra-wide shots. And with 16 gigabytes RAM and Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, it's clearly ready to compete with the big names in the flagship space. The official unveiling happens on April 24 in China, and while there's no word yet on whether the 13T will be available globally, we're definitely hoping it makes its way to international markets. Until then, stay tuned because OnePlus might just have a surprise hit on its hands.